Threw your favorite sweater in the dryer and it came out toddler sized? That square symbol was literally screaming at you. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Washer Fixers. We're talking drying symbols today. This is honestly where most people destroy their clothes. You wash everything perfectly, then throw it all in the dryer on high heat and RIP to your favorite hoodie. If you haven't watched part 1 and 2 yet, go to our profile and check those out. It's all right there. And now let's decode these square symbols so you never shrink another piece of clothing again. Air drying symbols. Air drying is a gentle method of drying clothes that can help preserve delicate fabrics and prevent shrinkage. Just like washing and drying, there are also laundry care symbols to indicate that you should air dry, drip dry. This symbol indicates that the garment should be hung up wet and allowed to dry naturally without wringing or twisting. Drip drying works well for delicate fabrics that may stretch or lose their shape if handled roughly when wet. Dry in the shade. When you see this symbol, it means the item should be dried away from direct sunlight. This method helps prevent fading and damage to sensitive fabrics that may react poorly to prolonged sun exposure. Hang dry. The hang dry symbol suggests that the garment should be hung on a clothesline or hanger to dry. This method is great for items that might lose their shape if laid flat, such as active wear or jeans. Dryer cycle symbols. When machine drying is an option, it's important to use the right cycle and heat setting to protect your clothes. Get to know common dryer cycle symbols to help you make the right choice. Tumble dry. This symbol gives the green light for using a dryer. It's suitable for most everyday fabrics that can withstand the mechanical action and heat of a dryer. Do not tumble dry. When you see the symbol, avoid using a dryer. The item may be too delicate for machine drying. No heat dry. This symbol indicates that you can use the dryer, but only on a no heat or air only setting. It's ideal for items that can withstand tumbling but are sensitive to heat. Normal dry cycle, low heat. This setting is suitable for delicate fabrics that can handle some heat. It uses a lower temperature to gently dry clothes while reducing the risk of shrinkage or damage. Normal dry cycle, medium heat. Medium heat is appropriate for most everyday items like cotton and blended fabrics. It provides a balance between drying efficiency and fabric care. Normal dry cycle, high heat. High heat is best for heavy fabrics like towels and jeans. It may help clothes dry faster but can be harsh on delicate items. Gentle dry cycle symbols. The gentle cycle uses low heat and slow tumbling to protect delicate fabrics. These symbols will indicate if you need to use a gentle dry cycle. Gentle dry cycle, no heat. This setting uses the gentle tumbling action without any heat. It's perfect for very delicate items that can withstand some movement, but are highly sensitive to heat. Gentle dry cycle, low heat. Low heat on the gentle cycle provides a careful balance of drying power and fabric protection. It's suitable for delicates that can handle a small amount of heat. Gentle dry cycle, medium heat. This setting uses medium heat with gentle tumbling. Suitable for items that need a bit more drying power but still require careful handling. It's a good choice for lightweight knits and blended fabrics, and that's drying done. You're literally unstoppable now. One more video to go. Part 4 covers ironing and dry cleaning symbols. So make sure you follow and subscribe to Washer Fixers and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the finale. Tell me in the comments, are you team tumble dry or team air dry? Let's settle this debate. Peace out. See you in the finale.